Alright, so tonight's homework is Unit 9, page 41 and 42. Page 41 is all about probability. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So it says, Hannah won a chance to draw a gift certificate from the bowl. Find the probability that Hannah will get each lettered amount. Write the letter under the probability. So the first thing you want to do, just like we did at the end of class, is make a fraction. So earlier we looked at how many total gift certificates were in here, and we said there was 8. And then we counted how many 100s there were, and there was 4. 4 eighths was 50% probability. So now we're on to B. B, we're looking at least 100. So if we look in here, we need to count how many are at least 100. So go ahead, count those up. Okay, so I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 6 out of 8 are at least 100. Now what percent would that equal? Hopefully you figured out 75%. Let's look at C. How many of these are 1,000? Remember, it's out of 8. I only see 1 that's 1,000. So now you need to remember what percent was 1/8 and write that down. So 12.5%. Let's do one more together. Less than $50. Well, as I look through here, I don't see any that are less than $50. So that would just be 0 out of 8. Or we could say 0%. I want you to do E and F on your own. After you've figured out your fraction and percent, now you need to put it on your number line. So if I come back up here, we said 4/8 or 50% was $100. Well, right here under maybe is 1/2 and 5/10. So it says to put the letter, so that is A. So I'm going to write A. So if you look at B, we said 6/8 or 75%. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's split into 4 equal parts. So wouldn't this one be 3/4? What would our decimal be? Hopefully you thought of 7/500, or you could say 75%. So we would write the letter B under that one. From there. So make sure for each one you've got a fraction, and I told you guys the decimal or percent, and then a letter. So you've got 4 more to fill in. So you might have 2 answers under the same one. Okay, and then down below you're finding the probability of a gift certificate worth $50. So you'll have to look back up at this bowl. Alright, on the back we've got multiplication and division. So 893 times 4.
The socially committed is now meeting in the library. Thank you.
Okay, and I think you guys can probably figure these out. Unfortunately, I have a meeting to get to. So, I think you should do just fine finishing up. Okay, thanks.